The display consists of 3 different main areas. You will see an upper command bar, a lower command bar. In the center of the screen, you will see the available cooking modes. Now we are going to show you the commands from the upper menu bar. By clicking the second icon on the upper bar, you can access the recipe book uploaded in the system. By clicking the third icon on the display, you have access to the auxiliary functions, such as the insertion of cold or warm water or pan tilting. Icon number 4 represents the assisted cleaning function of the appliance. The last icon from the upper menu bar indicates the optional timer function. In the lower part of the display, lower menu bar, an eye icon stands for information about the pictograms on the display. In the central part of the screen, you will find the different cooking modes. Swipe up and down to find the one you are looking for. Each cooking mode is independent like an app and accessible by tapping on the relevant row on the screen. A pictogram represents the relevant cooking mode, i.e., pan, kettle, etc. By tapping on the pictogram or in the central part of the row, you can choose the relevant setting. By tapping on the right end of the row, you can start the cooking, Quick Start. The appliance will remember the settings of the last used cooking program. Therefore, even if you turn off the machine and restart it the next day, you can choose the Quick Start with the previous settings.